prinsesa para sa kanilang party.
Intelligence or
Pagkakita ng setup ng kids party, aba, feeling ko kuya lumalabas ni si Batang Kulit.
Oh. Hala! Ay! Ito yung Jaren.
get some.
I was really excited to channel my inner child again, my inner little kid, and enjoy the party.
Hello!
Ang ganda ng damit. Aba, ayos.
Hello, long
Kayo na
time
rin,
no
ano,
see.
I saw the other housemates po nag-costumed. And I was just like, oh, we all look... Ang cute po namin tignan.
It's actually a kid. Oh my God!
Hello! Long time no Hello! Long time no see po. You guys are so cute.
Pasabog, akala ko eme-emeng kids party. Pero pagpasok ko parang may birthday yan talaga ng bata.
Oh
my God! Ano, nakaka-enjoy!
Thank you.
Isa-isa nang nagpakilala ang mga prinsipe at prinsesa.
Hello everyone! So I'm Jazz and I'm here as Cleopatra, the longest reigning pharaoh from Egypt and the prettiest of all. I hope you just enjoy as we all talk about their different nations as we represent them as queens and kings of them all. Thank you!
Hello everyone. I am JM, who was everything but the king of nothing. Thank you. Sa aming kaharian, kuya, kahit saan ho kayo tumingin, lahat po dun ginto. Mapapuno, ginto. Mapapalay, ginto. Daan, ginto, kuya. Ginto po lahat.
Aba, marami naman palang pwedeng isang lasa kaharian nyo, JM.
Hello everyone. I'm Princess Sophia, not the third, not the second, but the first and the original.
I am Binsoy, the king of magic.
At ano ang may pagmamalaki mo sa iyong kaharian?
Kaya ko hong walain lahat ng mga pag-aari ng mga totohuya. From one snap, magic disappear.
Aba, delikado palang makasakay sa jeep itong haring ito. Malikot ang kamay.
Hello everyone, my name is Colette. I'm the master of the ocean. That's all.
Hello everybody. Ako si Kai, ang jackfruit ng bahay ni Kuya. Thank you.
Who is that girl I see? Rain or Jen? Reina Jen! Wow!
I'm Jaren, the Prince of Asia. Not Bisha, not Sisha, not Disha, but Asia.
Ako si JP, ang hari ng Southeast Asia. The Prince of Southeast Asia. Kung saan matatagpuan ang mga pogi at magaganda.
Principal ng Southeast Asia.
Opo.
Pero yung isa pagmamayari na ng buong kontinente ng Asia.
Pinsan ko po kuya.
Housemates, enjoy the party!
Sobrang sayaw nung party. Lalo't tong party na yun, hindi karaniwan na mararanasan naming mga adults, kuya.
Happy. And it was nice that I wasn't alone to feel that same joy, Kuya. I shared it with my fellow housemates.
Mas lalong tumitibay pa yung samahan namin dito sa bahay, kuya.
At syempre, hindi kompleto ang children's party kung walang games.
Everyone here! Go! Lumayo sa chair! Lumayo! Sayaw!
Jaren was beside me. I thought Jaren was gonna sit down. Pero hindi pa siya nag-sit down. So kalaban ko lang pala sarili ko.
Ang larong to ay tinatawag na pass the pink ball to the bowl. Okay? Players ready? Ready! Go! Hop, balik! Go, dun pa. Okay, sabay lahat. Hop, balik dyan! Balik dyan! Daya! Bala kayo dyan! Balik dyan! Balik! Ayan na! Pantay na ang laban!
Kalaban ko po si Piang, kaya medyo mahirap din manalo. Napaka-cheater, kuya.
Sabay, ulog!
Hello, hindi masyadong nakakahiya. Kahit panood-noodin mo, o kahit i-replay mo yun, kuya. Hindi ako mahihiya. Alam mo kung bakit? Dalawa kami ni Colette ang nadapa. Mas malayo pa yung naabot ni Colette.
Maya-maya pa, isang special performance ang inihanda ng mga boys para sa mga girls.
Very formal, very royalty.
It's like a school play.
Yeah, cute! Very impressive actually. When I saw the performance, I was like, oh, that's really nice. Also, they were in sync.
No way!
Malumanay na pagsayaw kagaya ng mga prinsipe sa kaharian, sa kastilyo, tapos biglang may Aba, ayos, ano to? Hybrid.
Halika na dito, Piangit.
It was so cute talaga. It's like we experienced something from our childhood po.
Nung pagkabata ko kasi kuya, hindi ko po naranasan yung mga ganong mga party-party ko kuya. Kaya ngayon ko lang mo naranasan yung kids party na ganun kuya.
And I think the effect of the party was definitely creating more fun memories with each other and strengthening our bond towards each other.
Hihigpitan po ang pagkakaibigan at pagtutulungan at pagsasamahan kuya, lalong-lalo na po dito sa bahay niyo po kuya.